Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here today to share my unboxing and review of these brand new QCY M10 TWS Bluetooth earbuds. Now, I've used a number of these types of earbuds in the past, but it's my first time and experience with these QCY smart earphones, and here you can see the model information, QCY M10s with a charging time approximately of 2 hours, music time of 4 hours, but some more things you need to know about these. They're super compact, only 4.5 grams for each of these earbuds. There's a pairing pop-up window that we'll try out shortly here with my Xiaomi phone, AAC surround sound, HD calling, up to 20 hours of battery life using the case, senseless latency, and one tap to go features. And I'm definitely excited to try these out and see how they compare to some of the other earbuds from Xiaomi and some other true wireless earbuds that I've used in the past. So let's go ahead and open this up with my trusty Frankie Tech trimmers right here. Tearing off the plastic, and let's slide it out. Lifting the lid, and there they are, the QCY M10s. Let's take them out for a second, and pretty standard kind of case, but I do like this matte texture. Very nice. Let's open this up, and what do we have here? This is the instruction manual with instructions in both Chinese and English. That is good to see. And similar to the Mi AirDots Basic and these other ones I've used in the past, pairing should be very easy with these QCY M10s. And let's see what else we got in here. Micro USB to USB-A charging cable, and these look like they are the extra tips, rubbery tips here, and it looks like there are various sizes that you can choose depending on the size of your ear. Okay, and we've set these aside. Let's lift this open, and there they are, the QCY M10s, and let's have a closer look at these true wireless earbuds. And I'm actually getting Samsung Galaxy Bud vibes from these, which is a good thing because Samsung Galaxy Buds are excellent, but they are pricey. Alright guys, so a couple of hours later here, I've been charging these up. I have my Redmi 10X Pro, putting them in my ear right now. Pair with QCY M10s? Yes, let's do it. And we are now connected. They're in my ears. And I'm going to go ahead and listen to a little bit of Frankie Tech, new Space Breaker here. And it's sounding pretty good. I'm going to try to bring them close to the mic so you can have a listen. And I gotta say, initial impressions, the bass is bumping. They do sound a step above than what I've heard on the Mi Wireless Earbuds Basic. But here we go, guys. I'm going to be testing these out now with the Redmi 10X Pro for the rest of today, and we'll be coming back very soon with my final thoughts on these QCY M10 TWS Bluetooth earbuds. Stay tuned. Okay guys, and I'm back now after 24 hours of using these QCY M10s, and I gotta say I've been very impressed with not just the audio quality, but the ease of use of these true wireless earbuds. Now yesterday I had just paired them with my Redmi 10X Pro here using the standard kind of Bluetooth connection here, but today I've actually gone ahead and downloaded the application so you can now see the full effect when these are being used. And so now with this application you can see the M10s are offline, but once I take them out of the case, you'll see what happens. There we go, connecting. And look at this nice little graphic, and now it is showing you both the left and right battery percentages, more settings right here, which will bring you directly to the application. And so this is where these QCY M10s really come to life, because there's a number of customizations you can do. And so you see here left and right, and you have a number of different audio customizations you can do for tap, double tap, and triple tap. So right now I have play pause enabled for tap, skip track backwards, skip track forward for double tap, and the voice assistant for triple tap. But you see here, this is what I really am excited about. You can also now adjust volume up or down for each one. So you, in theory, could have left side going volume down and right side going volume up. And now with a triple tap, you can adjust volume, which is something that I cannot say for my AirPods Pro or most of the other true wireless buds I have used this year. On top of that, we have a great equalizer here, which will allow you to really adjust the sound of the music you're listening to. I've had it set to default, but you can also go pop, bass, rock, soft, and Classic. So just giving you more options of how you can listen to your music. A really nice touch here on these QCY M10s. And last but not least, we have what's called Find Headset, which will basically emit a sound. If you've left one of these behind a couch cushion or something like that, you can go ahead and press here. And let me bring this close to the mic so you can hear the sound that your true wireless earbud will make. And it gets plenty loud, guys. Both of these are now doing that noise, and this should help you be able to find these if you have misplaced them. Beyond that, guys, I really do think these are very nice true wireless earbuds for the price. And let me just compare them real quick here to some of the other true wireless earbuds I have been using. So we have the Mi True Wireless Earphones Basic, and you can just tell, look how much larger the QCY M10s are, and this is due to the fact that these QCY M10s have a 6mm dynamic driver, so you're really going to get just a step above in terms of sound quality on these true wireless buds. And you see them here right next to my Galaxy Buds, the one that came with my Galaxy Fold free of charge, but I've kept these long term, and they've been some of my favorite true wireless buds for the past year. But you can see here these M10s are almost a similar size to the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and I think for the price they're offering a really similar experience to what I've been getting in terms of audio quality and customizations now with the app at a much lower cost. And once you're all done, let's go ahead and just open the lid here, put these back, close the lid, and they have now gone offline. And so that's it, guys, the QCY M10 True Wireless Earbuds. I've had a really good time with them, and I've seen these even around a promotional price of around $20 US. If you can get them in that price range, they are terrific true wireless buds for the price. But I'm going to continue using these this week, so hit me up with any questions, any comments you have about these, and I will be happy to respond. And hit me up in the comments. What do you think of these QCY M10s? Are you a fan of these types of true wireless earbuds? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks once again to YouPin for sending these out. And I always love checking out these great smartphone accessories like these wireless earbuds on the channel. And let me know if you'd like to see more of these in the future. So that's it. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.